What do we have here?
So today, after much time of waiting for bits, we've got anti-focus ST back. Basically, this car came to us for our Stage 2 Plus with Nemesis, which is your normal Stage 2 hardware, so full exhaust with DCAT or sports cap, intercooler system intake. Stage 2 Plus is those parts plus a metal inlet plenum and an operated actuator. So the plenum, we've got Airtec Actuator's forge. Base mapped it, we had boost oscillation, we ended up scoping it with the camera, and you could see there were a couple of points where the blades were making contact with the housing. When the blades touching the housing, the tab was slowing down, then it's speeding back up. That's what caused our oscillation. We had a chat with Andy about it. I said to him, while we're here, we might as well go hybrid turbo, 550cc injectors, bigger in-tank pump, and it gives you then a very nice base to start from before forging. So it's come back, we've got an ST hybrid turbo from Wayside Performance, Bosch 550cc injectors, and a fully built in-tank pump basket with an upgraded pump also from Wayside. So yeah, they've all been fitted, it's now on the dyno, get some data out of it, and then see what we got. After we've had it on the dyno, obviously multiple revisions, we've ended up at 335 horsepower, 549 newton meters of torque. We did have some clutch slip issues, so initially we were making nearly 600 newton meters, but we've had to bring the boost in a lot more progressively just to obviously stop the clutch slipping. Best run was 352. The initial issues with this car, we're running a forge actuator and the spring had gone soft. So we have tuned these in the past at 1.5, 1.55 bar using the stock size spring, which is the green spring, which is like 7 to 10 PSI. We then swapped it out for a new yellow spring and that solved all our boost issues. The other issue, which hasn't been resolved as yet is timing pull. Obviously the environment temperature's hot, so we are getting a little bit of timing pull through intake temperature compensation. But we think there's a deeper issue which we've now got to look into. So we'll catch up with you guys in the next episode and keep up to date with how we get on.